Important map locations for today. Now, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Now, this is located in the region of Kerala. This is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which encompasses the three states of Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Wayanad is known for its wildlife sanctuary. Kabini River, which is a tributary of Kaveri, flows through this region and has been recently in news. Polavaram is one of the major projects which is under construction for irrigation. It's a national project approved by the government in the region of Andhra Pradesh, lying in the West Godavari district. So West Godavari district, again important, as we said, it's the major terminal reservoir for the Polavaram project that has been seen, and you have water that is being supplied to most of the districts, the surrounding districts like the East Godavari, Visakhapatnam, and so on. The next is the region of Western Ghats. Now, Western Ghats have been important. Western Ghats are known for their uniqueness. Lion-tailed macaw is endemic to this Western Ghats region. You have the Kalinga cricket frog, which is also seen, and this is also one of the major biodiversity hotspots that have been seen. The next is the Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology. Now, Wadia Institute is located in Dehradun, very important center for geological studies. Recently, landslide and disaster management studies have been discussed mainly for the Himalayan belt, bringing in awareness about black carbon and the impact of black carbon on GLOF, which is the glacial lake outburst flood, which we have covered in a separate lecture, have been important. The next location is the Konda Pancham reservoir, which is located in Telangana. It is on the Kaleshwaram irrigation project and in the Medak district. This is one of the major reservoir projects in the state of Telangana. The next is Medak district. Now, Medak district has been known before independence as a Nizam state and one of the major popular tourist destinations of India. The next is Mekedatu. Mekedatu project is located in Karnataka. It's one of the major projects for drinking water in the region of Karnataka. Also, there has been a kind of interstate dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu for the same, because this has been built up on the Kaveri river. Jamalpur in Bihar recently had an inauguration for the water supply project. Similar to Jamalpur, Munger also had the project for the water supply, and both of these, Jamalpur and Munger in Bihar. Besides this, you have a riverfront development scheme which is seen in Muzaffarpur. Muzaffarpur is also known for its lychees, and it is called as the Lychee Kingdom. So, Munger, as we said, is again known for its water project. It is one of the major centers for ancient rule. The next is Nellore district in Andhra Pradesh. It is known for production of rice and sugarcane. Island of Sriharikota is present here. You have the Nelapattu bird sanctuary, the Pulikat lake, which are present here. Again, a major center, and farmers have been requesting and enhancing the procurement for the paddy targets since long for the government. The next is Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake, government has recently run a statement where any of the persons who are using or running submersible pump sets for illegal salt mining would face severe action. Sambar is one of the major reservoirs for salt and is the place where you have lot of salt production that is seen. Sambar and Deedwana are two major lakes in Rajasthan, both known for its salt production. The next is Chusul village in the regions of Leh district in Ladakh area. Goat and yak rearing are the major activities. The tribals here are being motivated by the government to cultivate medicinal herbs which could be used by army people at the China borders. So Chutsu Valley is again important. Chusul Valley is also known for production of barley and tea, which is consumed by the local people. Nandankanan Zoological Park in Bhubaneswar, Odisha is one of the major destinations. You have this zoo which has become the first zoo to be the member of World Association of Zoos and Aquariums, the first zoo to have a white tiger, melanistic tiger, and then again it is one of the major conservation centers for Indian pangolins in the world. So Nandankanan Zoo, very very important for your examination point of view. Now two saris have been famous. The one is the Chendamangalam saris, which has a black lining or a black border, seen in the region of Ernakulam. The next is the Kuthumpulli sari, which is seen in the Thrissur district, which is also known as the cultural capital of Kerala, as we have discussed before. So Ernakulam and Thrissur, both of those are important. Ernakulam is again a district with 100% literacy, so important. The next is in the region of the Hanamkonda, you have the 1000-pillar temple, which is also known as the Rudreshwar Swami temple. Now this is one of the sites which has been conserved by UNESCO. Hanamkonda town, where you have the 1000 pillars temple that is located, or the Rudreshwara Swami temple that is located, is also one of the tri-cities of Warangal, very very important, and a seat of the Kakatiya Empire during previous years. Kandagi saris are important. This is a sari coming from weaved from silk and commonly seen in the regions of Tamil Nadu. Silk and cotton threads have been used in the modern versions of the Korai sari that are seen. The next is the Nolkhal district in Nagaland. Nolkhal district in Nagaland recently witnessed cases of scrubus typhus. Now, scrub typhus is usually spread through infected blood or blood transfusion or any kind of unhygienic needles that are seen. However, the Nolkhal is one of the major districts of Nagaland known for its tourist attraction. Similarly, Mount Saramati is a very important location in Nagaland. It is at the border between India and Burma, and Mount Saramati is one of the major prominent peaks of Southeast Asia. So Mount Saramati, a very very important location for you, located at the Thanamir village in Nagaland. So we have numerous other important topics that we would be covering in the upcoming map classes. Stay tuned for many more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.